Hi all, my name is Mike from My Hours, and today I'll share with you the key timesheet legal requirements you should know about. Are timesheets required by law? The answer to this question might seem like a yes or no type of thing, but it actually isn't. It's kind of both, really. What most labor laws require from businesses operating both in the United States and the European Union is to keep accurate records of all employee work hours. However, these laws don't talk about timesheets explicitly. How come? The dictionary definition of a timesheet is a piece of paper for recording the number of hours worked. So while labor laws don't specify the use of timesheets, they do require you to track the number of hours worked in your company. It's up to you to choose the right tool for the job. And whatever tool you do end up using, it'll ultimately leave you with a record containing the exact number of work hours. A timesheet. Whether this record is digital or physical is less important. I know, I'm killing you with semantics, but trust me, it's nothing compared to what the authorities will do if you get this wrong. Now, let's move to the next part of this video and talk a bit more about what kind of legal requirements are associated with timesheets and what sort of information should timesheets include. One of the main laws in the United States that regulates the use of timesheets is the Fair Labor Standards Act, or FLSA. The law was passed in 1938, and it basically revolutionized the entire work culture of the US. FLSA added things like minimum wage, a 40-hour limit to the regular work week, overtime and how it should be paid, and yes, the mandatory time tracking of work hours and keeping employee records. According to the FLSA, a timesheet document should include the following information: personal information, full name, address, job position, and such, the day and hour the work week begins, the total number of work hours per day and week, the total earnings for each day and week, the pay rate for doing overtime work, the total numbers of overtime hours in a single week, any type of deductions or additions to the regular wage, the total wage paid for each pay period, and the date of payment and pay period. Be sure to keep an eye on the state timekeeping laws, as they may differ quite significantly from one state to another. Last but not least, these regulations are meant to protect the employee, so keep these 7 points in mind. FLSA requires clear timesheet records with start and end times of work, plus daily and weekly work hours. Hourly employees must be compensated for all worked hours. Working off the clock is illegal. Clock ins and clock outs rounded to the nearest quarter hour, or the 7-minute rule. Employers can adjust time cards, but must pay for all worked hours. Employees can't be asked to work before clocking in. Overtime pay for hourly employees is 1.5 times the daily wage. That's about it for the timesheet legal requirements video. Please like and share if you like this type of content, and if you want more info about this topic, feel free to check out the full article on our website. The link is down in the description. See you in the next video. Bye.